Welcome to the attendance machine guideline video. Let's explore the features of the Bluetooth attendance machine. The upper side is designed for punching attendance cards. On the front side, you will find the LCD display and 7 function buttons: increase key, decrease key, previous key, next key, back key, confirm key, and setting key. On the back side, you will find a QR code for connecting the machine to the app, the power supply input plug, speaker, and hanger hole for wall mounting. Before using the attendance machine, ensure the ribbon is correctly installed. Open the transparent cover and check that the ribbon ink is properly positioned between the steel plate and the print head. If the ribbon is not in the correct position, please set the ribbon in the proper position and then adjust the ribbon ink using the ribbon wheel. And check that the ribbon ink is properly positioned between the steel plate and the print head. Proper ribbon placement is essential for accurate punching. Let's see the placement of the attendance machine. You can place it on a stable table at least 75 centimeters high. Alternatively, you can mount it on the wall at a suitable height.